Hello everyone, welcome to the third episode of Art Sales Adventures. Today we'll be installing essential applications, including OBS Studio. The reason is, we'll have no more of this phone. This phone right here is a piece of idiocy that has been plaguing this thing for centuries since I got the command line out. And we're going to store the videos temperamental onto this hard drive. A Samsung solid-state drive. I know, doesn't have the damn stick on it. It's because I ripped it out of a goddamn I don't know, I ripped it out of the junkyard like anything else. Just kidding. This was not from the junkyard. I bought this when it was back in 2016. Okay. Moving aside, the problem with we want to get OBS Studio installed. I am going to double check. I'm going to double check its hard drive, this space. Also, I hate it when it's on the damn wrong orientation. Excuse my fingers. This is the reason why I hate about sometimes. Sometimes my fingers block the way of the view of the desktop. And speaking of the desktop, it looks cute and goddamn idiocy. Okay, last time I installed some essential applications in episode 2, Firefox and Console. Those are the only two applications I installed this year. But I checked KDE Plasma in the in episode 2, and it automatically installed VLC for me. That is a nice feature. At least I don't have to get a flipping media player anymore. Thank the holy Lord. Maybe it's integrated in KDE in such a way that if you try and install it, it'll mess up the whole system. So I'm just going to keep VLC installed, so I don't have to seek a media player myself. So, before we do this, it is added to my favorites, but it's not on the bar, which is the icon's only task manager. Okay, it's not mounted there, it's not on here. So the essential applications that I mostly need to do is put them on the taskbar, which is mostly the icons that we need you to use. So I am going to add Firefox web browser to the task manager. Also, I'm going to add console to favorites and to task manager. Then I'm going to organize these applications. So settings will be there. I'm going to have Firefox first, and I will have console first and Firefox and system settings. This system settings will be last, because I don't really use it last. I'm going to move console. I meant console, system settings, Firefox, and the software center for enter. But we're not going to use it until episode 8, because I'm limiting myself here to Pac-Man only. Right, so at least we can do this now without popping up my other laptop. So I'm going to start Firefox now. We love keeping you safe on the Northwood backend browser that stops companies from securely following you around the web. Import from previous browser. I'm going to uncheck this because you know why. Damn it, QR code. I gotta hide it. Oh wait, maybe it's a public QR code, or you could just download the Firefox application. Personalize your Firefox. Yes, we'll be installing add-ons soon. Firefox has your back. Thank you for using Mozilla Firefox back to the Mozilla Foundation. Really support. We're working to make the internet safer. Let's start browsing. Let's start browsing. Alright, I seem to have all of my stuff set up for me in the United Kingdom. We have BBC, which is United Kingdom. We have eBay. We have Facebook, Reddit, Amazon, YouTube, And we have all the new stuff. And including all the video games and shit. I'm just gonna keep scrolling up. Now the problem is, every time I want to go on Firefox, I rather be on ArtsNX's website rather on the new tab page. So I'm gonna go on to here, settings, and then go into home and find out where the hell can I set my default browser. Homepage, I think. Homepage to new windows, Firefox Home. I mean, custom URLs. And we're keeping the new tab page to Firefox Home as blank page for now, because why not? And then I'm going to type in the ArtsNX website, which is artsnx.org, I think so. I'm going to double check if that's correct, because okay, so now if we close this and open the web browser again, I will go to ArtsNX's website, which is here now, which allows me to go in here and check if there's any packages for the arts forms and the wiki, which is mostly going to be important. Maybe I should set the wiki as my homepage, and also it's slow, which is this one right here. So I'm actually list of applications, and yep. Thank you for the following on Instagram. I saw that. As I do have an Instagram, follow it. Required aim. It has webcam content, but I might update it with my Arch install progress on there. Maybe those if you don't want to look at my episodes for more details. Right. So, what on the few applications that I mostly install on the ArtsNX system? You know me. We gotta get the screen recorder. So, we're gonna get the screen recorder. I am going to double check if there's a package available for it on packages. What the hell was that noise? That'll not be my one waking up or I'm done for. And also I'm on a time limit here because I need to go to an appointment at 2 o'clock today. So we're gonna make this fast. OBS Studio. I also type these okay. Version 5. No, let's double check. Flags updates on 24/03/12. What is this? How am I supposed to get OBS installed if I don't want to do? Let me just check the AUR. Yep. If OBS doesn't decide to do... Okay, let's see if OBS Studio is on the AUR. Because there must be a more up-to-date version on OBS on here. OBS, okay, there's stuff on the AUR, but we can't do something on AUR right now because in the future episode I will have to install AUR wrappers and shit like that. So I gotta find the last updated version. And the problem is, I need rep sockets, I need stuff like this. There's AV1 support. Oh yeah, I found it, OBS Studio Get, which is this one. But the problem is, I can't get the AUR in case there's future reasons. And also, the AUR is supposed to be helpful. Right, we're not gonna do this. We might need to find a basic screen recorder for now, because Wait, I can just install OBS, not the Git version, for now. And then once we get to an episode where if we can do AUR stuff, then we will. So we'll just install OBS Studio from the repository. So it's sudo pacman -s OBS Studio. Another root password entry. This is why I need to get this screen recorder right now. Yep, I want that. Oh my god. I feel like this goddamn wireless stupid thing. I'm just gonna try again. 404, let's try SY. This is the reason I don't like myself sometimes. Fail to receive. Operation too slow. Let's try again. And then let's try this shit again. There we go. Right, now close this. Application launcher, multimedia, OBS Studio. Right, use this information. So see what to use the program for. Optimized just for recording. I will not be streaming. Wait. Maybe I should stream sometimes. Maybe I'll stream on this channel. Otherwise I'll streaming. For either 60 or 30, but prefer 60 when possible. Service, YouTube onto PMS. Okay, I can't do anything. I'll just have to click on this for now. I don't like. Otherwise, next for 60 as always. And thank H264. I am not going to play these things. I'll do it myself. Thank you very much. Settings. Stream and output. What should my output be? I'm going to keep it on mvenc. Encoder preset. P5. That's the one I need. Maybe I should copy my old OBS settings and carry these over here. Basic canvas resolution. I'm not going to use that. I'm not going to use the 1920 by 1080p anymore. So if you're seeing this, future episodes will be in 21 by 9. So if I'm not streaming, it'll still be in 1080p. But when I'm recording, I'll have the improved 21 by 9 experience for you. It's only in cases, and then I'm going to set this to here so it's native resolution, and come on for FPS value 60. Yes, I know that the file sizes will increase due to this. I'm going to have this at 550 because you know me, I like to have my streaming at 550. Recording, same as stream, macro video, MKV, audio track. Nope, I meant recording video, high quality, medium file size. Nope, I want to hit same as stream so I don't have any bitching. Right, the canvas is empty. Fuck my god. But in order to get a simple screen recorder, fine, okay. I'm gonna be doing this. So, add source. Where is screen capture? Oh. Okay, the problem is I need, I have two, I don't have one attempt like I always do on Windows, so I am going to try Pipewire. First attempt. Screen capture, Pipewire, enter, select monitor. Oh my god, how do I hear this? Okay, I seem to have something definitely wrong with this, as I can't even select the damn monitor. Let's get X out and delete this and try again. Let's try the second one. Okay, we're good. So, the absolute problem with this is that I cannot screen record from 128 gig SSD. It's not going to be viable and good. The problem is with that, I can't just... Yeah, I'm actually being quiet because it's going to be 6 at this few moments and I do not know what the hell I'm doing. So, yes, you have quiet recording at the moment. ASMR. And I hate that. Okay, we need capture cursor on and no cropping whatsoever. Okay. Okay, we're good. We find out that it's there. So, let's tell you what I'm doing. Right. I'm going to do a temperamental thing here. I'm going to minimize this. Then I can click on here and click on start recording. And I'm going to hit full screen protective preview. I can do this and start streaming all that. Yes, I'm not going to hit that start streaming button. Because you know me, I am not streaming, I'm recording. That's the button I need to press. 3, 2, 1. Okay, as you can see, I am going to be doing this and screen recording my entire screen. So, you see my mouse, you see it moving across the screen. I can do this, do this, do this, and now I'm going to stop recording. Right, so that's good. So let's play the record. Damn it. I have to, damn it, I don't have a file manager. I need to, but let's click on the VLC. Yes, no, not that. Media. Open file. Right, oops, I didn't mean to go to the bin folder. I meant to go to /home aim, oh, it's there, 2023, that's the one I need. Oh, alright, there's 2 cursors now. I don't know, that's the screen recording I did, so I gotta double check that. Okay. Great, now I have a screen recorder, finally. Don't need to carry this damn phone anymore. But the problem is, we only have the desktop being captured. If I go in here and select show again, you can see that I'm currently screen recording my screen only. Which, you know, I do not like to do. You want to see my face in these videos, by the way. The problem is, when I end the episode mostly of the time, I turn my face around and say, goodbye, thank you for watching, that's the end of the episode. But I can't, but the problem is, I can't show my face at the same time as I'm using the webcam. So, as I, listen. The only way we're going to continue this series is my C922 is going to be plugged in. So, the problem is, where am I going to plug this in? The back, obviously. Okay. Well, I'm just going to pause it here and you can see my aisles. I will be back. Okay, I'm back. Right, now for the discoverable whole truth, I need to make sure my webcam is working. So, this video capture device, Field T2, these, okay, C922 push webcam, USB, Kappa 1. Yes, keep that the same. Resolution, let's all check. Nope, 720p would be. Oh wait, it's laggy as hell. Shit. Yep, we have webcam. At least we can do this. We'll leave it unchanged and do it 640x4. We'll do 640x4A, I think, and then 60. Let's all check which ones do 60. Oh, there's no way I can do 60 on here. Fuck. Okay, that's 10. And it will be 600. I can do 24. And then 6y by 480. 6y by 360. I can do 30. Okay. So the problem is I can only do 30 FPS, which is fine by me. If I do this, and it's just 65 by 360. Yep, 65 by 480 will be the one then. 65 by 360 will be the one then. And I'll move myself to the top part of my screen. There we go. Now all I have to do is find out where I can do the mic inputs and all that, because I need to get a working microphone on the system. Wait, is it these things? I'll double check if my C922 has a mic, which it should have. Somewhere here. OBS devices. Oh yes, that's the one I need. I need to double check the audio. Now, all we have to do is record the audio. So I'm going to switch down to settings. Audio, microphone auxiliary to audio, and oh wait, at least it says default mic. Okay, the only problem is my mic is being a piece of dog shit. Where the hell is it? So I'm gonna open this. Okay, microphone C922 profiled. Nope, that's the one. I need to double check. Why am I doing this? Very important as I do this shit. It's mostly going to be important for everything, but we have to double check. Nope. Okay, for your information, I understand this phone was 60 FPS, but we're going to go down to 30 FPS. So the duration of this episode, you'll see a 30 FPS indicator on my screen. We're going to be on 30 FPS for the duration of the entire video. So we're not going to use the screen recorder for now. I'm just going to keep having my phone with me. It should be analog studio input. And balance is fine. And yeah, could be the one I'm after. And if it's good, okay, I shouldn't be messing with this. Okay, I have audio, which is great. So let me just double check for reflex on OBS. Okay, my mic is being a piece of shit. It's detecting that my microphone is actually picking up the TU6 mic aux. 6. I'm just gonna go into here, then select C922 webcam stream pro and click apply. Right, let's see. Okay, we're good. And I know I think my camera mic is bad as hell. I might plug in my actual headphones to this system and not disturb my mum with this. So I'm gonna do another test recording in 3, 2, 1. You won't be able to see it. Hello, hello, hello. My name is RequiredTech and welcome to Art's Adventures. Blah blah blah. Okay, I'm gonna load up the file now. Yep, I am preparing for earrape, so they're gonna be ready for this. 5 megs. I feel like that's the problem. Hello. My name is RequiredTech and welcome to Art's Adventures. Blah blah blah. Right, that's done. Okay. Okay. More essential apps times. Where is what we have to do? Right, we gotta get a file manager, because that's the thing we have to do. If we don't get one, we're screwed and we can't manage our files. So, sudo hackman -s hackman -s. Listen, trust me. I am not pirating Nintendo here. This is a file manager, not the emulator. If it was that, we'll be screwed. Right, we have a file manager installed. Let's close this and open the Dolphin file. And we're going to go into Dolphin here and go into add pin to desktop manager, and then move this to the first available thing we have. And we also add this to the favorites also and move it up there. Okay. Right, now we have a file manager, which is excellent. We can browse our files very seamlessly, and we can double check everything. I don't know why this is here. I do not know what the hell is this. Is this a symlink to something? Yep, it points to this. I do not know what to point this to. I might need to find a way to move this thing, because I do not know. Why is this on here? It should be UFR system user and all this. My @ sign, by the way, only uses the when I @ sign, shift @ sign, it does this, and if I shift this, the @ sign is there. I do not know. I'm on the US. I might be on the US key map for some reason. No, this is the reason I need help. And shit like that. Right, let's go over to videos. Wait, what the hell? Oh, that's right. My OBS. If I go into settings, it actually stores in the root of my home directory, which is /home/rm, which is bad, and we don't want that. That's the problem. So, I'm going to browse and select my videos directory for now. Well, the problem is, this has a 128GB hard drive. I mean, 128 gig XS. This is 120 gig SSD. The problem is, if I store too many files in here, I'm going to lower the bitrate, by the way, because I don't need 550 kilobytes per second. I need 250 for these. And you know me, I don't need lots when I'm doing art stuff. And 60 FPS is not a viable go, so future recordings of what's eventually will be at 30 for now. Until I get a 60 FPS webcam. Okay. I'll get a 60 FPS webcam soon. The C920 will work. What was it again? Wait, what was it again? I'm sorry, I do apologise if my things. You saw. Oh, it's a C922. That's the problem. So, okay. Yeah, the reason why I don't talk this loud is because the gain on these stupid Logitech microphones is dog war, and I hate it. So, I'm gonna remedy this right now. I bring it to 80%. That's all you need. It fixes this shit, and it fixes all of it. Very simple, very nice. Wait a second, I need to turn this down. I mean 80%, this one, sorry, not that one. It's very nice, it's gonna be fixed, it fixes a lot. Okay, right, so, might conclude the episode here. Thank you for watching the Odd Six Adventures, it's been an honour. So, next episode will be on OBS and sort of screen recorder. Wait. I do have one more thing up my arsenal. This will be storing all the recordings on. Okay? I can't bear it with the goddamn phone anymore. I know this has storage on it, but I can't rely on the storage from this. I am relying on the storage from the SSD. That's where we got to transfer our files. So, as a very good start to this, I am going to pause the recording again, and this time we'll be serious about this. And also, my preview of the recording is in black and white, so you see this in full color instead of black and white. Maybe it's me, but the recording is still recording color. So I'm gonna pause and get back there and sell this goddamn black and white shit, and I'm used to seeing. Okay. What is it? I know USB cable is a 3 one. Right. This is a USB drive. I got this USB 3. We've got to plug it in. The USB thing is flipping finicky, so it might not appear on the mounting drive yet. It takes a while for it to display the shit. Where the hell is it? It should display as a removable device. I'm gonna think around with the thing because it sometimes doesn't want to mount, don't want to detect for some reason. So, and the Hoover's run off again, so I'm gonna be right back and get this out. Okay, like I said, the USB hard drive reader is a flipping piece of idiocy. We have this mounted now, which is finally good. I'm gonna mount. I'm gonna click on here to mount the drive. God damn it! Record when the access not how the system responded. Microsoft waiting until it's failed. Error mounting dev SDA2 as 1 media. AIM random ID file system APFS not configured in kernel. You know what? Do you know what I feel like the only problem is that this hard drive, this SSD I plugged in to the USB, the SATA drive reader, it's drive reader plugged in, it only supports the Apple file system. It had a Mac OS system installed on it previously, so we gotta sort that right now. The problem is, I can't get anything off. If I try and mount the file system over The problem is we can't. The problem is I do not have a partition manager installed on this system. So the one we're going to be installing is KDE Partition Manager, which is there is gpied. I understand that you Linux folks use gpied. I know that, and you can use that if you want to. But this is KDE. We have a KDE desktop environment, so we're going to install the KDE Partition Manager. Sudo pacman -s KDE Partition Manager. I do not know if I spelled it correctly. I'm going to double check. Okay, I need to get rid of KDE because that's not the package name, it's this one. Right, now I installed the partition manager, I can now download something called some NTFS shit. Now I'm going to install some NTFS file support system. So we're going to install a few things here. We don't seem to have APFS support on KDE Partition Manager, so we can't use that. So I am going to install a dependency here. So let's install some new stuff. We need E2FS frogs to have ext4 support. We have that already, but we need DOS FS tools for USB flash drives. We have because everything's installed from USB is FAT32, exFAT utils in case a USB drive has that, and DOSFS, and any Windows X, any hard drives that support NTFS needs to be installed. So NTFS -3G NTFS. So we're going to install those 3 file systems right now. So now I have exFAT support, FAT32 support, and NTFS support. So all the Windows stuff is going to work now, which is excellent. Right, we're going to go into here, utility system, KDE Partition Manager, and we're going to boot. Authenticate to manage disks. Authenticating is our aim. So the reason why we need authentication to access this application is because we're messing around with partitions like we did. But by the way, we have a GUI partition manager right now. It's not like CG disk or G disk anymore. We're not using all those anymore to format our hard drives. The problem is, I don't like formatting my old hard drive, so we're going to type in the password. If this prompts me for the Reaker password, I will try. I'm going to use my Reaker password to enable this. If it prompts, okay, scan drives. Okay, we have our 120 gig SSD, which is the NVMe drive. As you can see, this was done because I did that during the installation. It has we could have gone away with a 64 megabyte boot partition, but 120 gig one would be better. If we were dual boot Windows, I would have not cared. Right, now we move on. Now we're going to use the plugin driver, which is one. So the problem is with this one, it was used in a Mac recently, and I'm not using that Mac anymore. So we're going to go into new partition table, which is this one right here. We're now going to select GPT as the thing. It will destroy all the data on the drive, and I don't care anyway, so I'm going to hit yes. Right, there. And then I'm going to hit apply to make sure the APFS volume is done for. It's dead. We're killing the APFS on this shit. Okay, APFS is killed and ready. Now, this is what's important to us. The problem is I need to edit these videos in a Windows system because I'm using Adobe Premiere Pro to add the intro as you saw on the start of the videos. And if I can't do that, then there will be a problem. And also the intro will be in Train 119 in episode 4. So in episode 4, we're gonna have a bit of a problem. So I'm gonna click on this and select new. Okay, new partition. Okay, we have a few here. We have file system. We can make this an ext4 file system. Shit, I keep hitting the damn desk for no reason at all. Right, we'll move on. We can make an ext4 file system, which will work in other Linux operating systems. But the problem is that the laptop I have is a Windows system, so we can't use X4. We can use exFAT, but that's gonna start a little bit of trouble because exFAT is only useful for USB drives. FAT32 is only used for us. So the only option I have is NTFS, which is the Windows standard. Cause the problem is the answer exists. If I'm gonna be editing videos on Windows, I need NTFS. So I'm gonna hit OK. Yeah, I should switch the exe form, but screw it. Okay, we seem to have an NTFS partition now ready to us. So, in order to mount this, I should mount it. So mount, edit mount point. The problem is, we mount the 232 GB mount media. Folder is empty. Can we create new files on it, like normal human beings? The problem is, I don't know if this UUID changes, but it has one media required aim, which is one media aim. So all we have to do is find out what the hell I'm doing. Okay. I'm gonna conclude the episode right here. Thank you for watching Art's Adventures episode 3. Jesus Christ. Episode 4 is going to be a screen recording only episode. So yes, we're going. There will be a problem here. The Logitech C922's microphone is bad, but we're gonna get used to it. Or I'll bust out the headphones. For goodness sakes, I'm gonna bust out the headphones. Jesus Christ. So, thank you for watching Arts and Expenses episode 3. This has been Required. You know what's his name's. It's Tech, and I'll see you next time in episode 4. Goodbye.